Using Motorhome Depot's Smart Exchange ensures that you get the best deal if you are selling your motorhome and buying another. Smart Exchange gets you the lowest price to change on a new motorhome. The price to change is the difference in price between the motorhome you are selling and the motorhome you are buying. For example, if the motorhome you are buying is £45,000 and the motorhome you are selling is £25,000, your price to change is £20,000. But if you can get an extra £5,000 for the motorhome you are selling, your price to change comes down to £15,000. When you sell with Motorhome Depot, you get a better price than if you sell to a dealer, to a motorhome buying company, and even privately. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our customers have to say about Smart Exchange. I achieved the price I'd hoped for, which was about 25% more than a dealer would have given me. Motorhome Depot got me far more than the main dealer offered me, which is important to me right now. They also achieved £8,000 more than I was offered by my local dealer. We probably gained £5,000 more than a dealer offer. Thanks, Motorhome Depot. Use our Smart Exchange. Get the best price to change by selling with Motorhome Depot first, putting you in a position to ensure you get the lowest price to change. Start by listing your motorhome with Motorhome Depot now.